Welcome to 400 Brant Kitchen and Bar, located in the heart of downtown Burlington, where you can experience the perfect blend of elevated casual dining and warm hospitality. From the moment you walk in, you'll feel the warm, welcoming atmosphere, perfect for catching up with friends, sharing a romantic evening, or enjoying a great meal any day of the week. Our bar serves up beautifully crafted cocktails, shaken or stirred to perfection, including our amazing summer cocktail features. Our lunch and dinner menus have something for everyone, from vibrant vegan dishes to hearty burgers and fresh, flavorful salmon. Plus, we've got plenty of gluten-free options, so everyone can find a favorite. Enjoy your meal in our beautiful dining room or take it outside to the cozy, sun-filled patio. It's the best way to savor summer in Burlington. Hosting something special? We've got 2 unique event spaces, perfect for private dinners, celebrations, or corporate gatherings. Downstairs, the 400 room can host up to 100 guests and features a full bar, 2 golf simulators, and lots of room to mingle. It's quickly become a Burlington go-to for unforgettable events. Upstairs, our private dining room hosts up to 50 and offers a gorgeous setting for a reception, bridal shower, or intimate dinner. Visit 400brant.ca to check out our menus, explore our event spaces, and book your reservation today. It's the perfect spot to spend your downtown Burlington gift card.